Welcome back to Financial Freedom Journey. Have you ever wondered what goes through someone's mind when they shell out cash for something utterly ridiculous? From pet rocks to invisible art, the world is filled with absurd items and services that people actually pay for. It's almost like a treasure hunt for the bizarre. Picture this, a $10,000 banana taped to a wall, or a service that promises to send your ex a glitter bomb. These outrageous purchases not only make us chuckle, but also reveal fascinating insights into consumer behavior. Why do some folks find value in the unconventional? Understanding these quirky spending habits can shed light on what drives us as consumers. And it's a reminder that sometimes the most ludicrous items can bring joy or status to our lives. So buckle up as we dive into the wild world of the most ridiculous things people actually pay for. Pet rock. In the 1970s, a simple rock became an unexpected cultural icon, thanks to the genius marketing of Gary Dahl. He transformed an ordinary stone into a pet by packaging it in a cardboard box complete with air holes and a care manual. This quirky concept struck a chord with the public, leading to sales of over 1 million pet rocks in just a few months. The absurdity of spending money on an inanimate object was not lost on consumers. It was a humorous commentary on the pet craze of the time. People loved the idea of having a low-maintenance companion that required no feeding or walking. The pet rock phenomenon not only sparked laughter but also highlighted how clever marketing can turn the mundane into a must-have item. It serves as a reminder that sometimes the most ridiculous ideas can leave a lasting impact on culture and consumer behavior. Invisible ink. Invisible ink, a fascinating substance that reveals messages only under specific conditions, has captured the imagination of many. Marketed as a tool for secret communication, it often comes in kits that promise hours of fun and mystery. The novelty factor is a huge draw. Who wouldn't want to feel like a spy or a secret agent? This quirky appeal taps into our childhood fantasies of hidden messages and covert operations. While some may argue that invisible ink has practical uses, such as in security or art, the reality is that many people purchase it for sheer amusement. The idea of writing something that can't be seen is undeniably intriguing, yet it also borders on the ridiculous when you consider the price tag for a bottle of ink that vanishes into thin air. Ultimately, invisible ink serves as a playful reminder of our desire for secrecy and adventure, even in the most absurd forms. Celebrity endorsements for everyday products. In recent years, the trend of celebrities endorsing bizarre products has taken the marketing world by storm. From Kim Kardashian promoting potato chips to Leonardo DiCaprio endorsing bottled air, these unusual partnerships often leave consumers scratching their heads. The psychology behind this phenomenon lies in the power of celebrity influence. People are drawn to the lifestyles and choices of their favorite stars, believing that purchasing these products will somehow elevate their own status. However, the absurdity of paying a premium for items simply because a celebrity's name is attached is hard to ignore. It raises questions about consumer values and the lengths to which we go to feel connected to fame. While some endorsements may seem harmless, they highlight a curious aspect of our culture: the willingness to spend more for the allure of celebrity, even when the products themselves are utterly ridiculous. The emerging market of space tourism is capturing headlines and imaginations alike, with companies like Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic offering trips beyond Earth's atmosphere. However, these once-in-a-lifetime experiences come with exorbitant price tags, often exceeding hundreds of thousands of dollars per ticket. So what motivates people to spend such vast sums for a brief journey into space? For many, it's the allure of adventure and the chance to experience something truly unique. The idea of floating in zero gravity or witnessing Earth from above is undeniably enticing. Yet this trend also raises questions about the implications of spending so much for a fleeting experience. While some view it as a personal achievement or a status symbol, others see it as a reflection of societal values that prioritize extravagant experiences over more pressing global issues. Ultimately, space tourism highlights our desire to explore the unknown, even at a steep cost. The market for high-end toilet paper has surprisingly taken off, with brands offering products that promise a lavish experience for a basic necessity. What sets luxury toilet paper apart from regular options? It often boasts features like ultra-soft textures, eco-friendly materials, and even unique scents. These premium qualities are marketed as a way to elevate your bathroom experience, turning an everyday routine into a moment of indulgence. Marketing tactics play a crucial role in justifying the high price. Companies often emphasize exclusivity and self-care, appealing to consumers' desires for comfort and luxury in every aspect of life. However, the absurdity of spending significantly more on something so fundamental raises eyebrows. After all, toilet paper is a necessity, not a luxury item. This trend highlights a fascinating aspect of consumer behavior, the willingness to invest in comfort and status, even when it comes to the most mundane of products. Virtual real estate refers to the concept of buying and owning digital land within online worlds, such as Decentraland or the Sandbox. In these immersive environments, users can purchase plots of land, build virtual structures, and even host events, all while interacting with other users. The allure of investing in digital properties stems from the potential for profit, as the value of virtual land can appreciate significantly, much like traditional real estate. Additionally, some see it as a way to establish a presence in the burgeoning metaverse, where social interactions and commerce are increasingly taking place. However, the ridiculousness of paying substantial amounts for something that exists solely online cannot be overlooked. It raises questions about the nature of ownership and value in a digital age. While the concept may seem absurd to some, it reflects a growing trend where virtual experiences are becoming just as significant as physical ones, blurring the lines between reality and the digital realm. In this exploration of ridiculous purchases, we've uncovered a fascinating array of absurd items and services that people are willing to pay for, from pet rocks and invisible ink to luxury toilet paper and virtual real estate. These examples highlight the quirky side of consumer behavior, revealing how marketing, novelty, and the desire for status can drive us to spend on the most unexpected things. The key takeaway is that our spending habits often reflect deeper societal trends, where the lines between necessity and luxury blur in the pursuit of unique experiences. As we wrap up this journey through the bizarre world of consumerism, we encourage you to reflect on your own spending choices. If you enjoyed this content and want to dive deeper into more engaging topics, be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Your support helps us bring you more intriguing insights into the world of the absurd.